and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking independent project 1 to 5. Okay, Excel chapter 1, creating and editing workbooks. Okay, this is the independent project 1 to 5. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your project by watching this video. If you need help in this complete project, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do for you with A plus grade. I can do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft PowerPoint, and all Microsoft Access. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. So, file needed. Okay. Skill covered in this project: autofill a series, copy it and paste a series, use the auto sum button to calculate result, apply font setting and all alignments and document properties. Okay, question number one is that open Clemenson one XLS from your student data file and save it as your initial Excel 1 to 5. If the workbook opens in protected view, click enable editing in the security bar. We will open our XLS. You can see I have also opened this XLS and also click on enable editing button. Question number 2, remove the split. Go to the view tab in the window group. Okay, click on new window button and split will be removed. On hide row 1 to 15, 18, we will select row 1 to 18, sorry 5 to 18, row 5 to 18 and unhide. Select cell A5 and type CA001 as the first ID. Select cell A5 and we will type CA001. CA001. So use the fill pointer to create a series that reach CA005 in cell A9. Okay, cell A1 to A9. Okay, CH1, CA2, CA3 and 4 and 5. So question number 5. Select cell A5 to A9 and copy them. Select A5 to A9 and copy them. This is copied. Paste the selection in each of cells A10, A15, A20, A25, A30 and A35. Right click cell A40 and pick from drop down list and choose 001 to complete this list. Okay. A10, A10, A15, A20, 25, A30, 35 and A40. A10 and next is okay, you can see here. Okay, A10, A15, A20, A25, next is A20, and the next is A25. So next is A30. So the next is A30, and so next is the A35. Okay, and A35. So this is good. So the right click cell A40, click pick from drop down list and choose CI001 to complete the list. Okay. Right click on this, click on pick from drop down. We will select CA001 to complete this list. Question number 6. Select cell C6 to C7. Okay, we will select this two cells C6 to C7. Okay. Next, these two cells use a formula to establish a date pattern. Auto fill dates to row 40. The date in cell C5 uses the 2 days function to set the starting date. Okay, this is good. Question is okay. The date in cell C5 uses 2 days function to set the starting date. Question number 7. Select cell D4 and click the formula bar before the P in patience to place the insertion point. Press Alt plus Enter to insert a line break and then press Enter to complete the entry. Select D4. Okay, hash of patients. P in patients to place the insertion point. Press Alt plus Control. Press Alt plus Control. Okay. Enter to complete the entry. Insert the line break and then press Enter to complete the entry. Okay, Alt press Control and insert the line break to please to complete the entry. So question number 8. Select cell D4 and expand the formula bar. Select cell D4 and expand the formula bar. Select cell C41 and type total screening. Okay. Click on cell C41 and we will type total screening in the formula bar. Press enter. So question number 10. Type most screening in cell C42 and fewest screening in cell C43. Click on C42 and we will enter most screening and few screening and C43. Fuse screening in cell 43. Okay, question number 11. Apply board and right alignment to cell C41 to C43. Okay, we will go to the home tab in the phone group, apply bold and right alignment. Go to the home tab in the alignment group, apply right alignment. So you can see I have done 80% of this project, 70 to 80% of this project. For remaining question, and if you want to deal for this complete MC Grahal Simnet course, you can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and come on my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this complete MC Grahal Simnet course. I can do complete Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, and Microsoft Word with A plus grade. And I am also handling other student courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Java, MyLab Management, Business classes, MyLab Math, Calculus 1, Calculus 2, C++, and many more online courses. If you need help in any course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do for you complete course with A plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.